Hello everyone, good morning student. Today we will see the ocean subject. Unit number first, introduction of commerce and business. 1.6, classification of business and activities, industry and commerce. The first, industry. The industry employs in the economic activities of educated in the conversion of the resources into goods and already use. Involved of the production in processing goods and meaning, breeding and rearing and animals. The goods of product in the consumer goods by capacity goods and normal consumer goods of the directly consumer for final consumer areas in capital goods use of the another industry for the further production of the goods. The term of industry is also means group of the firm producing similar related of goods. For example, sugar industry of repairs, the manufacturing of the product sugar and sugar cane. Similarly, electronics industry would be include of the firm producing electronic goods. It also of the trade service of the like banking, hotel, insurance, tourism, and other factors. Industry is trade of the utility. It convert in the raw material into a usable finished product. All the possible in the manpower, machine power, large capital investment, industry activities, conduct of the factories, workshop, sheds, even sometime of the at home. It all depend on the size of industry. The first industry may be divided three broad categories. First, primary industry, secondary industry, and theoretical industries. First, primary industries. The primary industry concurrent with of the nature. In the nature of the oriented of industry product in the primary industry may be use of the input and secondary industry of the primary industry of the part of three types. Agriculture industry, extractive industry, and genetic industry. First, primary industry. The first, agriculture. Second, extractive industry. And third, genetic industries. The first, agriculture industry. This include of the farming in cultivation of the land. The quantity of product in depend of the manufacture of the like fertility and land, climates of condition, rainfall and other factors. Extractive industry. This industry of the product in the from normal resources from the soil, air, water. Generally, product in use of the from the use of the manufacturing and construction of industry, production. Finish of the production, for example, alternative of the minerals, underground of the finishing in forestry. The other factor include of the set of the industry further of the processing. Genetic industry. Genetic industry are the engage of the reproduction and multiplication of the plants, animals, animal husbandry, certiculars and horticulture of industries. The secondary industries. Secondary industries. The first, manufacturing industries, construction industries. Manufacturing. Second, construction. Construction industries. The first, manufacturing industry. Thus, the industry has engaged in the transferring raw material of the finishing product with help of the machine and manpower. The final goods may be capital goods and consumer goods, for example, textiles, sugar, paper industry, and other factors. Construction industry. Thus, industry is the engage of the construction, building, dams, broad gauge, road, tunnels, canals, metro, and other factors. In case of the other industrial goods of the produce, one place of the sold, another place, and the goods of the mass sold by their industries of area, the industry and the way of trade of invaluable when. The territory industries. Third, territory industries. Third, the provide the support in the service of the primary and secondary industries. Service of facility and the provided in the industries include of the transport, banking, which of the come under traditional category, where areas of the modern times of the hotel industry, tourism industry, entertainment industry, other of the include. The commerce meaning, the commerce is the part of business and activities of the concurrent distribution goods of the service product by industries, include of the activities which of the seasonal maintaining free of the interpret of the foods. Commerce broad gauge in the gap of between the product in the consumer of the exchange goods and service. Money or money worth. Commerce is the further divided by two auxiliary goods and traders and goods. Trade. The trade denote buying and selling goods of the service. Trade of the exchange goods of service and the money of money worth of the goods. Goods of the made available in consumer different the market and facility of other transport ownership. Professional and goods of service of the seller and buyers. The trade of further classified in the home trade and internet trade. Tomorrow we will see the home trade and internet trade. Further up divided into following wholesale trade, retails, foreign trade and exchange chain, luxury goods and other activity. Thank you so much.